Ready.
So you start in the center, cut down, so you hit the bone. Then I like to go to the left side first, and then listen up. Bony knife. Pretend I'm cutting along the breastbone here. My knife is firm against the bone, and I'm cutting this way. See what I'm saying? If you find yourself just cutting through meat, what's going to happen if I do this?
You're losing product.
I'm going to leave all the meat on the bone. So it always needs to be on the bone like that. So here, pressing against the bone. Just went through it there. Okay. See that? Nice and clean. Where I want to be. Okay. Then I go like this, and all these nooks and crannies come down. Now, there's a big pocket of meat right there. Michael, can you see it?
It's called the oyster. Is that the oyster?
Nope, it's underneath. That's on the leg. Now,
Pearl, I thought it was called.
really. Now, up here, this is the tricky part people mess up. You're going to come under here, press against, underneath the back.
Yeah. Kind of pull it. And then
Yep. And then you're going to come along this little chicken scapula bone right there. Like that. You doing video?
Yes.
Nice. Trim that. Little bone that I missed. Bone. Okay. And that is what we're looking for. Now, the beauty of getting underneath here like this, coming through and coming underneath, is that you get that bite. There's a couple bites there, isn't it? It's a good amount of meat. That is your Statler chicken breast. Trim a little fat if you want. Okay? Other side. Now, the reason we remove the wishbone is so that we expose all that meat right there. See that? All that meat must go with that, with the second breast. How? Come here like this. This is the move. Now my knife is on the bone, and I'm cutting that meat away to go with the second breast. Can you see how there's all that meat is gone?
Yes, sir.
It's over there. Same thing, come underneath, lift up, come through the joint, and down and out. Like that.
So what's the point of doing a styler instead of just normal? Is that just for presentation?
Looks nice.
Just looks nice.
Skin on, looks pretty. See that? This is the goal. I will judge you on how well you can cut chicken by seeing that. Or not. Flip it over. Now we're going to get the oyster you talked about. There's a pocket of meat here and another here. Those, again, must go with the leg. Fold it over like this. Okay? Like it's an armpit. Back. Right? Come underneath. Scoop. Scoop out the oyster right there. Come down. The side of the knife is on the carcass, and it glides right down like that. Nice. Yep. Trim. Okay, other side. Fold it back like this. You're not cutting through the skin this way, you're cutting this way from underneath with the knife on the bone. Down like that. Trim. Okay, so again, this is what you want to see. Meat off the bone, meat off the bone. Now, separate the drums and the thighs. See that line of fat right there? Right to the drumstick side of that line, your knife will glide very easily through. Just like that. Okay? So on your trays, you're gonna put the thighs and drums on one. And then the breasts